Hey guys, welcome back.
Welcome back.
Alright, so we are ready to begin this bathroom. I'm hoping those that follow us on Instagram saw a little clip of our little story of our bathroom and how we get ready to get started with it. So Aaron's actually going to talk about it.
We got a huge project in store. This is the biggest project we've done so far.
Yeah.
We've never done anything like it before. It's our first time. We doing this whole bathroom. As you can see, it looks like we're in 1960 right now.
Y'all see this, all this wallpaper.
Wallpaper everywhere, tile everywhere. It looks like my elementary school bathroom.
Tile up on the wall, wallpaper everywhere.
Just everywhere.
Look at the floors, guys. Look at that floor.
Terrible.
Terrible.
Terrible. So we be doing everything. We got samples in the background, as you can see. That's our samples. We're gonna jump into it. Try and get it done. So first thing we're gonna jump on is this tub. Start by taking the tiles down. You gotta tear down the whole wall pretty much and then redo it. And we're gonna retile it probably, I don't know. We might tile it all the way up to the ceiling. Or should we stop it there? I don't know. We'll see. Y'all leave a comment.
Yeah, so leave a comment. Let us know what you think. This will be part one. So our part one would be basically our demolition. So we're gonna basically tear everything down in this bathroom.
Yeah.
Sink is coming out. Toilet's coming out. Everything is coming out. So this part one is definitely be the demolition. Yeah, so there'll be consecutive parts to this bathroom because this is going to be a long process, a very, very long process.
Sure
so
will.
Hope you enjoyed the ride as much as we are enjoying it.
I hope so.
But
all right, we're gonna get started.
All right.
So I'm gonna start first by using this knife to cut the caulk, the existing caulk that was there. Just gonna do this real quick. It actually seemed like they didn't have caulk on there. I guess they just covered it up with wallpaper. First thing I'm gonna do, first row, I'm gonna take down, it's probably this column row. Actually it's a column. But start off with this column right here. Because we got to replace this with backer board. So we're going to use concrete backer board. So I don't want to bring the new board all the way up to the edge. So I'm going to try and keep this area as clean as possible. That way we can try and make the seam somewhere up in here. That came off pretty easy. So we have this tarp in the tub too, just to catch anything that might fall in it. So we're probably gonna try and reuse the tub. At first we thought we weren't, but then we figured it's in good shape, so might as well just keep it. So also thinking about having one knob right here instead of three. I don't know, y'all leave a comment too. To me, I think it's old fashioned to have three. I'd rather just have one. I don't know, y'all let us know. So I'm gonna cut a slit. Well, I started cutting a slit, but I'm gonna finish cutting it all the way across. That way I can try and at least separate it into bigger pieces instead of just taking off individual squares or whatever. So I'm gonna try and take this backer board off with the tiles. See if that'll work. So I'm not going too deep. I don't want to hit the pipe. I know it's a pipe right behind it, but I don't want to go too deep. So using this just eliminates that risk. This is actually a knife that we use to cut drywall. So here's the fun part I've been waiting on. So I actually cut like little holes in it just so I can put my hand there and try and yank the wall off. So I'm gonna do that now. See how that comes out. And you want to be careful because it could be nails and screws behind it too. So.
Ooh, Jesus.
That didn't work out how I thought it was going to be. I thought it was actually going to come out as a big square.
You don't see any bugs, do you? Stop!
I don't see any. Bam! I got it. We got it. I scared you.
Yes!
Sorry.
I did not know you were going to come off like that, but okay.
Got the wall torn down. Gotta move on to the next part. That's what I'm about to do right now. It's a new day.
Well, it's we. I'm doing it too.
Yeah, both of us. We're both doing this.
Just forget about me. Yeah, so we're gonna.
You did a little bit too, so.
Yeah, I did a little bit of that, not too much of that. But we're gonna start on this wall. We're gonna start on this wall right here to get all the tile down from there, and then we will. Yeah, so we'll record that process.
Yep.
Of you seeing how we do it, and hopefully we can cut this into 4 big squares and pull it down.
That's the goal. Cut it into 4 squares, or might do 6. Because it's a big wall, so I might do 6 squares, bring it down, do that in like 4 squares, bring it down, and that's gonna be it. At least for the shower, that's it.
Yeah, we still got all this behind us to do.
Still got the rest of the tile to take down too.
Yeah, but you really scared me.
Sorry.
Like, I did not expect that.
Sorry. Alright.
Okay.
Alright, let's get started.
Let's get started.
Alright. I had to break the crowbar out. It was taking too long with that little screwdriver. Couldn't do it. Look how easy that came out. Watch out now.
I got it all down.
Okay, we got the tile removed. So now what I want to do is just cut. I'm gonna divide into 4 sections, just like I did this wall. Do the same thing for this. You might be wondering why I'm not using a tool to cut it. I'm trying to limit the amount of dust because that stuff is toxic. It's bad for your lungs. I'm actually got a dust mask that I'm wearing too, a respirator. Alright, about to get started cutting. And that's it. And also when you cut you want to make sure you're not cutting anything that's behind it. Like we got a wire that's behind it. It looks like it was a wire. I thought I saw it. I don't know where it went. But anyway, I saw something back there. So I'm just be careful not to cut it. Not to go too deep. Okay, now we finally finished the shower, as you can see. It didn't take too long to do this, probably a few hours to knock everything down. We still got to clean up a little bit of stuff, nails and just little pieces here and there. So we're gonna wrap it up right here, but we got a lot more work to do.
A lot.
Yeah, it was actually a lot of cleaning to do. It took a lot of time to get all the big pieces and the small pieces to tile up, but we got it. So we're gonna wrap it up right here. We thank you for watching our channel.
Yes.
We appreciate it.
Like and subscribe. Again, this is going to be a continuation. So this is just part 1.
Yeah, this is just part 1 of demolition.
Yes. So more to go. On to the next.
Yep. See you next video.
All right. Bye.